this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the no desktop sound issue in OBS Studio. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and go to the settings. Now on the left sidebar, click on Audio. Here, find the desktop audio dropdown and select your main listening device. This is usually your headphones or speakers. Once selected, click Apply, then OK. Step 2. Check the audio mixer. Now look at your audio mixer in the main OBS window. Make sure the volume bar for desktop audio is turned up, and that the audio meter is moving when you play any sound on your PC. If it moves, but there's still no sound in your stream or recording, it's likely a track issue. Step 3. Set the correct audio track, open settings again. This time, go to Output from the left menu. Change the output mode to Advanced. Now choose either the Streaming or Recording tab. Depending on where you're facing the issue, look for the audio track option. Make sure track 1 is selected, or whichever track you're actively using. For recording, you can select multiple tracks. Remember, most players will only play back track 1 by default. Click Apply, then OK. Step 4. Set audio tracks in the mixer. Now go back to your audio mixer. Click the 3 dots under Desktop Audio and select Advanced Audio Properties. A new window will pop up. Look at the audio track checkboxes. Make sure your desktop audio is enabled for the track you're recording or streaming on. Click Close when you're done. Step 5. Check Windows Volume Mixer. If nothing works, try this. Right-click on the volume icon in your Windows taskbar. Choose Open Volume Mixer. Scroll through and find OBS Studio in the list. If its volume is turned down, increase it, then close the mixer. And that's it. You've now fixed the no desktop sound issue in OBS Studio. Drop a like if this helped, and see you in the next one.